Hello everyone, welcome back to Gidroid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix whenever you are trying to the Nintendo Switch OLED screen, touch screen is not working. When you're trying to shift something, it is not working and not able to select anything, and how you can fix it. This issue happens between many people, and one of the main reasons why this is happening is, let me say, even if you don't believe, one of the main reason is chargers. Because you have to make sure that the charging is working fine, or the charger is working fine with the Nintendo Switch when you are plugging this into a dock. And also keep in mind, the charger has to be original. Many users end up in having these kind of issues, such as the touch screen is not working, or the screen keeps flickering. Such issues keeps happening for many of the users. One of the main reason is they use third-party chargers, and that is why it happens. So you have to use only the original chargers in order to charge your Nintendo Switch. Keep a habit of using original chargers, not only for the Nintendo Switch, you can do the same for the iPhone, even for the Steam Deck, even for the Asus ROG Ally. You can try this these kind of things. So what you need to do is, we just need to make sure the charging is working fine, or when you plug into a charger it is charging, and also make sure the adapter is working fine, and all the things including the adapters and the charging cable and even the dock is having the enough supply, and everything should be working fine, and you have to cross check from your side. Next one is all about, even after trying with your charger, and if you're still having the screen is not working issue, you can try changing or charging with another charger, which means you have to contact your friends or someone who is using the Nintendo Switch, ask them a favor, connect with their chargers and make sure the issue is with the charger or not. You have to cross check whether the issue is with the charger or not, because when I do the little bit of research, even from the Reddit, many users complain the charger is one of the main reasons why we are having the touch screen is not working. I don't know how this is technically related, but even many users end up in having this. So you can try the same. So make sure that the charger is working fine. At the same time, it has to be original, and if the charger is not working, try with your friend's charger and make sure the issue is with the charger or not. Next one is all about, we need to reboot your Nintendo Switch. They did work it for many users, you can try this out. For doing a reboot, we just need to do like this. What we need to do is, we can do a force restart. It's not like a force restart. You don't need to do anything over here in the touch screen, which can be done over here by pressing the power button. So to do a restart, what we need to do is just press this particular button over here. You have to press and hold the button over here at the power button. When you do this, you'll be getting this option. You can navigate to the power option using this particular one. Select the power option, and over here you will be getting the option to go for turn off, close, etc. Navigate to using this particular one and go for restart and tap the button, press the button over here. So here, as you can see, when the touch screen is not working, you're not at all doing anything with the touch screen. You're using the over here, these keys over here, and which is bringing up you to do a restart, which gives you a fresh start. And once afterwards, check whether the issue is solved or not. Now, after doing with the restart, if the issue is still there, what we can do is, we can try with the next one. That is all about, we have to cross check your HDMI cable. Maybe an issue might be there. So the touch screen issue is already related all the time with the chargers. So you have to cross check the HDMI cable. You have to cross check the charger. You have to make sure the dock is working fine and is having enough power supply, and all these things has to be done. So even after trying with all these things, the issues might be with the hardware, with the display, the OLED screen might be having an issue. So you have to book an appointment and talk with the technician. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.